Nowadays, it's very difficult to find a thermos that is completely plastic free, including the lid. It's very easy to find ones that have stainless steel inside, but the lid has plastic in some way, whether that be something that twists that exposes what you drink out of, or sometimes the top of the lid can be stainless steel, but you'll have threads, and those threads will over time deposit microplastics onto the threads and you'll drink that. So I've searched in local stores, REI, online in the US. I have not found anything except for one company, which is Klean Kanteen, and they do offer a thermos that has completely plastic-free interior, including the lid. Unfortunately, they no longer sell that in the US. It is available in the UK. So let me show you these thermoses from Klean Kanteen. I have 3 thermoses from Klean Kanteen that does the hot and cold. This bigger one is 1 liter or 33.8 ounces. And the smaller one's half a liter or 16.9 ounces. I'll show you the bigger one first. So this is really nice. This top screws on, comes off really easy, and this is actually an insulated cup too. And one of the really unique features about this is you can unscrew this part way. This doesn't have any water in it currently, but this lid doesn't come off. So you can actually pour water through this gap pretty controllably and keep more of the hot water or cold water inside. I'm just going to keep going to take it off. It's a very unique thread pattern. Kind of has these little bumps and a pretty standard thread pattern there. And then to keep it sealed, there's 2 gaskets of silicone. One goes on the bottom, and the other one goes on the top. Very simple, but effective. Never had any leaks on this at all. So that's how that works. And it holds, the heat retention on this is quite impressive. The smaller one is same way, insulated cup, same opening mechanism. And I was looking at Klean Kanteen's site one day, and I noticed that these were no longer available, which was very concerning. So what I did is I noticed they still had the replacement parts for these gaskets. So I have basically 2 backup pairs for each of these bottles. So they have, you can order the bottom cap and the upper seal. So I have backups for twice for each of these to keep them going for a long, long time, because I really like these water bottles. I use them often when I travel or camp, and I will be very sad when I run out of these gaskets. Here are my most often used water bottles. This first one is a copper water bottle. I say it's my main one that I use. You can see it's been dropped a few times. It's very well loved. I've had this for a long time, probably 7 years or so. You can see each copper water bottle can have its own character depending on how you take care of it. You can kind of see it's more polished on where I hold it most often, and the lid is more polished. You can, of course, polish this if you want to, but I kind of like how it's got its own character. It's the same kind of idea. It's just got a silicone gasket at the top to keep the water from coming out, and that works very well. That's my main one. How I use this in the morning is I fill this about halfway with room temperature water, and the other half with boiling, and I drink this whole thing before I let myself eat anything. It's kind of like an internal morning flush with water. Quite important to do that, actually. My other main water bottle is a smaller one. This one's an 18 ounce. This one's about a quart. And I've had this for probably about a decade. Same kind of idea, silicone gasket at the top. And this one's really nice. I like this lid, so if I go climbing outside like a multi-pitch, I can just clip this to my harness, take it with me. Most often you just want to go climb inside and just need a little bit of water with me, and I can just top it off at the gym as I need. So my main two. My other one that I use sometimes is this bigger one. This one's a 64 ounce. So mainly I use this to put a lot of water if I go on like a long journey outside or just having a long climbing session outside. The main thing I don't like about this is it has plastic threads which can deposit microplastics on this outer edge, which you do come in contact with when you drink it. It does have a stainless steel interior, which is nice, but I wish this whole lid was metal. So it's still disappointing I can't find a big one that has the whole stainless steel lid. So those are my main three I use when I don't need water to be insulated hot or cold. This is the product listing for the thermos on Klean Kanteen's website. This is the UK website where it's still available for purchase. If you're interested in this, definitely pick this up in case it goes away in the future. If you do pick one up, I highly recommend picking up 2 to 5 sets of these replacement gaskets to keep this going honestly for many decades, as long as you take care of this water bottle, this thermos. On the US, you're still not able to buy this new, unfortunately. Hopefully that will change. You can still buy the replacement gaskets on the US website for Klean Kanteen. So if you have this, pick up those gaskets, keep this going as long as possible. It's very unfortunate that a lot of these water bottle companies, including Klean Kanteen, have no priority to put plastic free in a thermos. Klean Kanteen used to kind of pride themselves in this, and they've kind of slipped a little bit. They still do offer kind of regular water bottles that are not insulated, that are completely plastic free, all stainless steel, but they've kind of fallen in the trap of like the fad of water bottles, and just the colors, the designs on them, the kind of twisty things for the lid, and all this stuff is kind of just chasing the latest trend and not really going in the direction of keeping our water out of contamination with plastic. It's very important to, especially when you pour fresh boiling water into a water container or a thermos, that you don't want that to come into contact with plastic. That will, under that high heat, the plastic will leach into your water and you will drink it. Not good for your health long term. So if you come across one of these water bottles that are completely plastic free, including the threads, please let me know. I will do a video about it in the future. And let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.